I saw the class of a particular topic or a chapter, and then I did all the MCQs and simulations for the same. And I think that is really important, because if you see all the videos first, you start forgetting. But if you do the MCQ side by side, then it actually sticks in your head. My name is Arjun Abrol, and I have just cleared my US CPA exams. I am from New Delhi, and I work with one of the big four in the audit department. I was researching a lot about more courses that I could, pick or find something that could broaden my horizon. And US CPA was one thing that always was in line with my long-term goals, where it's a globally recognized license. And it is something that would help me work abroad in the future, which is one of my goals that I want to sort of achieve in the long term. Varun sir has a really unique way of teaching, the way he explains the concepts and makes the mnemonics and highlight the part, and the way that he explains each concept with the help of many examples. So that sort of makes it easier to understand what the CPA examination requires you to understand. The actual examinations, I think that the MCQs are more than good enough to prepare you for the examination, as well as the simulations, that they're really good, and they actually make you understand how or what the examination is going to be like. CPA matlab miles.